All right, now that we're done with Motion Pro, let's step on over to the Acerbis booth and see what they've got for 2019. Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. Kyle Bradford from Chaparral Motorsports here with the Acerbis. Now, it is Acerbis, correct?
Yes, you know, a lot of people mispronounce it, but it is Acerbis. A good way to remember it is you have the chair that you sit in, so you have the A before it, and the B's after it, so you have Acerbis.
There you go. We've solved that one for the record. Now, what is Acerbis' mission? Like, what do you guys do?
Well, you know, our priority is OEM replica plastic, but we make a lot of other accessories that go along with your bike. So we have the tanks, for example, over here. We also have the chain guide, slider kits, and just a lot of little extra things around your bike besides just a OEM replica plastic. And we've got into new colors as well with the teal and the light blues, the back and black kits. So we have a lot of cool stuff too, just to drive that cool, interesting factor besides just the OEM colors.
Nice. So if you're looking to put new plastics on your vehicle, Acerbis is a good brand to take a look at. And also, like you said, they've got other accessories like chain kits and handguards. Now those X Factor handguards are pretty amazing. We do really well with those and they hold up really well. Take a look at any of the Extra Delinquent videos. That Suburban Delinquent got a dirt bike and we've been sponsoring his channel for the last year or so. And every time he rides that bike, that thing gets thrown down mountains and those handguards work amazing.
Yeah, you know, that's probably one of our best products is our handguards from motocross style all the way to the wraparounds, which you just explained there. This is one of our newer ones, a lot of variety of colors. So if you like the mismatch or just like to go with the dark colors, we have all that stuff covered. Also have the X grip frame guards. We have skid plates. Acerbis is full of all the products for your bike. So just check it out, see what works best for you.
So we're going to go ahead and do some detailed breakdowns now. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can be part of the notification squad and you'll be notified when we release each of the detailed breakdown videos of each of these Acerbis products. I'm Kyle from Chaparral Motorsports. Until next time, take care and ride safe.